Talkipal.
Mommy, can you read me a story?
Not now, sweetie. Mommy's in a meeting. Maybe later, okay?
You may not be able to be there every moment, but what if someone you trust could be? I got something special for you, sweetheart.
It's a dog.
Not just a normal plush dog. He's got a little magic in him.
Hi, Iris. I'm Ollie. I came from the magic forest. Heard you love stories. Let's read one together. He's too thin.
With the Talkipal app, you can check chat history and get a weekly report of your child's growth.
Ollie, I'm drawing a big rainbow. Look, so many colors.
When you can't be there, love still can. More than just a companion, it's a learning assistant that lets your child enjoy playful learning. With just a tap, you can guide her through interactive stories and catchy songs that teach while she plays.
Let's spell the word cat together. C-A-T. What does it spell? Cat. You got it. Great job, Iris.
Learning doesn't have to feel like school when it comes from a friend. Beyond learning, it's a little life assistant that helps your child build better habits, like eating greens and going to bed early.
My little one just wouldn't see her veggies, no matter how I tried.
Then Ollie said it once,
Did you know broccoli makes you super strong? Like a superhero.
and she actually took a bite.
You're my best friend.
Changing habits isn't about more rules. It's about the right voice at the right time. That's the magic of Talkipal. What makes Talkipal capable of all this? From keeping them company, to playful learning, to building healthy habits, Talkipal is always there for your child. So what makes Talkipal capable of all this? Talkipal protects your child's privacy with strict data encryption and ensures every conversation is safe, age-appropriate, and ad-free.